Alright, everyone, welcome to the X5 software tutorial. Before we dive into how to use the X5 software, there's some setup we need to cover first. Downloading, installing, software configuration, and learning how to connect to our ECU interface. First up, to use the X5 software, you'll need to download it from the official website. Open your web browser and head to the EngineDance website at x5.com. Once you're there, find Service and Support in the navigation bar. Then scroll down until you see X5 Installer. Click to download it. Simple as that. Let's run through the download and installation process together. Open your browser and type in at x5.com. Click on Service and Support and scroll down. You're looking for X5 Installer. Right here, go ahead and click to download. If your browser gives you a security warning, just click Keep on the download prompt. Wait for the download a moment. Once it's downloaded, open the installer. Click OK. Then select I accept the agreement. And keep clicking Next afterwards. Wait for the program to install. Once the installation is complete, you'll see two new icons on your desktop. One is the main X5 application, and the other is for your local data.